Is your boss friendly? Does your boss come to office on time? Is your boss strict with rules? Does your boss appreciate your work? Has your boss ever praised you? Is your boss good at communication? Does your boss lead the team well? Is your boss helpful during deadlines? Has your boss ever given you advice? Does your boss attend all meetings? Is your boss experienced? Does your boss listen to employees? Has your boss worked in other companies? Is your boss open to suggestions? Does your boss plan tasks efficiently? Will your boss join the new project? Has your boss taught you something new? Does your boss follow company rules? Is your boss fair to all employees? Will your boss promote you this year?